Welcome back, dear students, in your science class. Today we are going to discuss about second last agricultural practice, harvesting. It usually takes 3 to 4 months for a cereal crop to mature. Lush green fields turn to golden yellow at the end of this period. This change in color from green to golden is due to the maturity of crop or ripening of crop. Once the crop has matured, then it is ready for cutting and gathering. The process of cutting and gathering of crop after its maturation is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are cut close to the ground. In India, it is done either manually with a sickle or by a machine called harvester. After harvesting the crop, the next step is threshing. Threshing is done to take out the grain from its outer covering called chaff. This can be done manually by striking the crop against a hard surface or by making farm animals trample the crop. Nowadays, a machine called thresher is also used for threshing. During threshing, the leaves and stems of the crop plants are converted into various small pieces called hay, which is used as a fodder for animals. After threshing, the grain has to be separated from its outer covering called chaff. This can be done by winnowing. In this process, the mixture is dropped on the ground from a height. The heavier seeds fall almost vertically down, whereas the lighter chaff gets blown away by the wind and falls at a distance. Nowadays, winnowing also done by a winnowing machine. In large farm, a machine called combine is used. This machine cuts the standing cereal crop in the fields, threshes it and separates the chaff from grains in one operation.